Purple flowers, yellow pants, clean water, green plants. Sun is shining, seedlings poke through to see the light that makes them brand new. Ants are crawling, beetles walk by, hummingbirds are singing in this big blue sky. Roots growing deep beneath our toes. Where they meet, no one knows. Earth, wind, fire, air. Butterflies landing inside my hair. Busy bees buzzing all around my head. How beautiful nature is too much to be said. The beauty in life that we all tend to ignore. The bugs, the bees, the hummingbirds I adore. What good would it be if we could all just see the beauty that Mother Gaia has truly come to be?